Hi guys, and happy Monday. It's a new week. Yeah, I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. It was I won't say wonderful for us, it was a lot of work, but yeah, work is always amazing when it's done. A big thank you to Babe. She's the one who do most of the job. Yeah, I don't know if you watched yesterday vlog, but yeah, she's amazing, and yeah, I thank you. It's a new week coming. It's getting hot outside, so yeah, let's see what this week gonna bring us. It's July now. It's still woke up. Today's a game at 4 p.m. Don't know what to expect. Don't know what they expect people to watch this World Cup on TV if game at 4 p.m. Bowing. So well, enjoy the vlog, and I'll see you guys when I come back from work.
Hi friends, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I had one of the best sleep in a long time last night. I guess my body wasn't tired enough to sleep the past few nights, but last night I slept through the entire night. I woke up just once to pick up Tyler to pee, but otherwise I slept. Yes, why you have the tissue in your hand? This is not paper towel. You need paper towel, not the tissue. Can you say morning, Faith? What you doing?
Look.
You want to wipe your hand?
Yeah.
Fun fact about my kid: when he's eating like any typical child, and his hand have, for example, he's eating toast and his hand have the chocolate on it, he will not put his finger in his mouth and go like this. It doesn't really matter how we try to teach him that it's okay to like lick your fingers. Nope, he have to get his hand washed, or you have to wipe it. Come, Pumpkin. What was I even telling you guys earlier before you interrupted me? I was telling you guys that I had the best sleep ever last night because I worked so hard yesterday. My body just came crashing and I just slept. I slept like a baby last night, so that's good. I had a good night. I am now rested. It's a brand new day and I have some things to get done today before I head to work. I'm not sure if Tyler is going to daycare or Baby's coming home to take care of him, but whichever the case may be, I have to get stuff done before I head out because I have work. So I wanted to get some workouts done this morning, but the way my body was feeling, the way I was tired, I said, you know what, I think the work that the project that I did yesterday was enough workout for me to rest this morning. So workout didn't get done this morning, but that's okay. I'll be back at it in no time, no rush. So that's done, and right now I am going to make breakfast. And if you guys know me, then you guys know exactly what I'm going to make for breakfast. This morning is no different. Plantains and eggs, okay? Plantains and eggs. So I'm gonna make breakfast and get on my way with my day. Make sure you guys are having a good day. Make sure you guys stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and have a good day. Let nothing and no one stop you from having a good day today. And on that note, let me go and have breakfast. Let me go and make breakfast.
Mama,
yes?
splitting the eggs.
Yes, Mama making plantain and eggs. Get out of the kitchen, please. Thank you. Good boy. He's something else. He loves plantain and eggs and bacon. That is breakfast. Looking so yummy. Oh gosh, this plantain looks so juicy. Oh my gosh, can't wait to dig in. Yes. When your son comes to you and said, Mama, can I have green juice please? What do? You make green juice, right? Though this weekend I didn't get any celery at the supermarket because the celery that I saw, I didn't like them. So I didn't pick up any. But I have cucumber and I have apple, so, and I have ginger, so he's gonna get his green juice. He said, Mama, can I have green juice please? can I tell him that there is nothing to make green juice? It's still green, so he's gonna love it. You're gonna see his face when he gets his green juice. Wait on it.
Green juice.
You're welcome. What a boy, love green juice. Nothing come between him and his green juice, okay? Nothing, not even me. We are heading to the pool. Go, baby, go. Look at him. He's so funny. Come over.
No, wait.
Wait for me. So it so happened that Tyler don't have daycare today, and baby's coming home to take care of him, so we don't have to rush. So we can have a little relaxation time, just what we need right now, before I head off to work later. So, you ready for the pool?
Yeah.
You gonna have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. That one sing?
Yeah.
You can reach it. Take it up. You can't catch it? Yes, you can. See? Good job. Looking like for the farm today, we are going with the leftover meat that I made yesterday with veggies, quinoa and corn. So yeah, that is going down.
Hi guys, just get back from work and it's football time. Football time is Brazil against Mexico game now. So yes, I'm back on time for the second half. Tyler is here. Tyler went to the pool. You went to the pool? How was it? It was good? So Tyler went to the pool, then he napped. Oh, you know, when the pool he knock you down. So Tyler nap, and every time Tyler nap for long, when you wake up, you think it's morning. So he want like his breakfast, and if he don't have his breakfast, he's not happy. I have to tell him, Tyler, it's not morning. Tyler, it's not morning. Oh, he's so cute. So yeah, I'm back home. I'm going to watch the game. Oui, qu'est-ce que tu chantes?
Non, regarde, c'est le papatrouille.
Ok, c'est les papatrouilles. Qu'est-ce que tu chantais? Po, 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 po. Tu joues avec Papatrouille?
Oui. C'est regarde, c'est le papatrouilleur.
Ok. Tu chantes pour papa encore?
Oui.
Vas-y, chante.
Chien de bord.
Hein?
Non, chien de bord.
Ça veut dire quoi ça?
Non, chien de bord. Regarde, chien de bord.
Ok, c'est le chat.
Oui, c'est du chat. Et de... Oh! Et de cheval.
Ok.
C'est quoi un ours?
Ok. Tu joues avec quoi là? Tu joues avec Papatrouille?
Oui. Regarde, c'est Rider.
Oui. Tu chantes pour papa la chanson de
Oui.
Papatrouille?
Oui.
Allez, chante encore.
Papatrouille. 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 Attends, papa. Photo. Une photo de Papatrouille.
Ok.
Regarde tous ces Papatrouilles.
Ok. He's into it.
You guys, we're coming on to end today's vlog because it's about that time where we're gonna go to bed. And I just finished ironing a bunch of clothes for babe, and I stopped because I was gonna continue, but I stopped because I said to myself, me can't bother. And that's going to be the Jamaican expression for today. Me can't bother simple means I can't be bothered. Say it.
Me can't bother.
Me can't bother.
Me can't bother.
Not can. Can't.
Yeah. Me can't bother.
Right.
Okay. Me can't bother.
Right. I can't be bothered.
Huh. Me can't bother.
Yeah. What's the French expression?
The French expression can be tourner 7 fois sa langue dans sa bouche.
Turn your tongue 7 times in your head, in your mouth.
Yeah. Turn 7 times your tongue in your mouth. You say that to somebody like when you talk, you say something and that you regret, or you say shit or things like that. So you said you should have turned your tongue 7 times in your mouth before to speak. Like
Think before you talk.
yeah,
really.
think before you talk. And when you
Right.
turn you can't talk in the same time that you
Right.
turn. So you think.
Right.
So then
makes
7
sense.
times, and then you don't
Okay.
say the
Okay.
crazy thing that you just said. Say it.
Tournez cette fois sa langue dans la bouche.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I like that one. Alright, you guys, so there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Like, shake it.
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. And yes, Stella is off to bed and we're heading in right now. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to catch up and keep up with all the happenings with the fan bam, because trust me, a lot is about to happen with the fan bam this year, and we'll be showing you guys every bit of it, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Guys.